Bún thịt nướng nè. Ê chị, ăn bún thịt nướng không chị?
Bún thịt nướng ngon không anh?
Trời ơi, bún thịt nướng ChefQs là số 1 một khế để bán chị tô.
What is up guys, ChefQ here, and today we are making Bún Thịt Nướng. Bún Thịt Nướng is our vermicelli noodles with grilled pork. The pork I'm using today is pork shoulder. Make sure to ask your butcher to slice them thin. For this, I'm using 2 pounds of pork shoulder, thinly sliced, 2 to 3 fresh lemongrass. Dice them up for the food processor. To make it easier, put them in the food processor with 1 large shallot, 1 whole cloves of garlic, 2 to 3 Thai chili, and blend it into finely minced. Next, we'll marinate the pork shoulder with 4 teaspoons of brown sugar, white sugar is okay too, 2 tablespoons of chicken granulated seasoning, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, about 6 to 8 tablespoons of fish sauce, depending on how salty your fish sauce is, 6 tablespoons of honey, 3 teaspoons of black or white peppers, and 2 teaspoons of 5 spice powder. Mix them up well. And then add in your minced lemongrass. Mix well and cover to marinate for at least 2 to 3 hours. Next, boil your vermicelli. Just follow the instructions in the back of the package. Boil with a little bit of salt. Pour out in the strainer and rinse off all the starch in warm water. Set aside for later use. Toast up your peanuts. I like to use the ones with the skin on still. For some reason, these taste better. Remove the skin and smash into coarse bits. Another condiment we need to make is the green onion oil. Here I'm using a little bit of canola oil and mixing it with my crispy pork lard fat. Bring up the heat and then add in your chopped green onions. Fry for about 20 seconds, then turn off the heat. Set aside for later use. Next, the most important thing is the fish sauce. Peel 1 whole garlic and a couple of chili. Put it in the mortar with about 6 to 8 tablespoons of sugar. Smash into a paste. Squeeze in about half a lime. Add about 6 to 8 tablespoons of fish sauce. And with that, about 1 to 2 cups of coconut juice. Taste and add more fish sauce or sugar accordingly. Of course, you need some chopped cucumbers, some lettuce, and mint, as well as the pickled daikon and carrots. There's a recipe to make the pickled daikon and carrot on top.
Bún thịt nướng nè. Ê chị, ăn bún thịt nướng không chị?
Bún thịt nướng ngon không anh?
Trời ơi, bún thịt nướng ChefQs là số 1 một khế để bán chị tô. Bún thịt nướng ở đây là số 1 là tại vì ở đây chỉ có một quán này thôi, ok? chín chưa. Meat, ready. Ooh, it's hot. Quá thơm luôn. Nghe mùi nướng xả. Rồi, có thịt chơi rồi. Ăn sao rồi chị hai? Ngon không?
Ngon.
Ok không?
Ok.
Được số 1 coi. Wow. Whew, that was hard work. Okay. So I made myself a bowl of bún thịt nướng too. Let my wife enjoy the other one. Well, I still have to eat this to let y'all know what is going on. Put this out too. There we go. This smells amazing. Wow, I even got background music. You hear that? Feels like Vietnam again. All right, so this bún thịt nướng, I want it to be exactly like how I imagine it to be in Vietnam. That charcoal smell and lemongrass smell. Woo, overwhelmed with the peanuts on top, and we got that tóp mỡ hành, this crispy pork fat onion. Of course, you got the lettuce and the pickled carrots and daikons and mint. So what I do is mix everything together. Let me get some more nước mắm in there. Usually bún thịt nướng, I like to eat it like a little bit soupy of nước mắm. This nước mắm is not that it's not that salty. This smell though, that charcoal smell mixed with the lemongrass. Woo. Check out this grilled pork. Wow. We got a little bit of fatty in there. This is the pork shoulder. If you want a leaner meat, you get that char siu section. Well, that's less fat, but it's gonna be more dry, meaning you have to add more oil to keep it from burning and drying out. But I think this is like the best cut for bún thịt nướng. You can also skewer these and grill them, but I use cái dĩ nướng, that grill, that sandwich grill. Yeah, pan. Which is a lot faster. I don't have to skewer it, and it keeps the inside of the pork juicy. Well, outside you get that charcoal, crispy charcoal smell. Ooh, let's try the pork. Mmm. Ooh. Oh man. Oh yeah. This is amazing. Woo. You get that full lemongrass, especially when you grill it over charcoal. And the nước mắm that we pour on adds even more flavor to it. Okay, let's try everything. We got some pork, some noodles, lettuce, mint, some cucumber in here. All in one bite. Oh yeah. This is so good. This is almost like Vietnam. Except Vietnam, of course, they put a bunch of MSG in there, so it's a lot better, right? If you can't do charcoal, just put it on the barbecue, or sometimes you can even put it in the oven. But you won't get that charcoal flavor, smell, you know, the smoky flavor. Well, I hope if you do make this Bún Thịt Nướng recipe, that it will remind you of Vietnam as much as it did me. I even try to reenact of how it would feel like to order it from Vietnam, right? Anyways, make sure to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. And also here on ChefQs Travel Recipe, we not only make food, we also do travel. The hell we do? And also here on ChefQs Travel Recipe, babe, stop doing it. And also here on ChefQs Travel Recipe, it's not only recipe, but also about food and travel. So make sure to check us out and subscribe too, all right? All right, peace.